Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will talk about modern wooden wardrobe design ideas. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you. Dear viewers, a wardrobe design is crucial in the sense that it has to address several concerns. The perfect Almari design or Almirah design should be functional and convenient, apart from being pleasing to the eye. This video will help you select the perfect cupboard designs for your bedroom. Traditionally, the bedroom is the preferred room for a wardrobe. With a little bit of planning, you can come up with a bedroom wardrobe design without it being a Gantt size one. Do not use up all the empty space to fix a wardrobe. In case you live in an apartment or flat, always be mindful of the fact that storage and empty spaces have equal importance in the overall scheme of things. In simple words, you need storage as much as you need empty spaces in your home. They have to complement each other. In a small bedroom, the wardrobe should be of a light color too. Single-purpose wardrobes are a luxury and ideal. In case you live in a large villa or bungalow, in comparatively similar homes, one must focus on the multifunctionality of the wardrobe. Your wardrobe must be built in such a way that you can easily store all your clothes in it. It should also have enough space to keep accessories like belts, ties, socks, handkerchiefs, footwear, towels, and toiletries. This image is an apt example of how a wardrobe can be used for various purposes. Next question is, how functional is your wardrobe? If you are going to use your wardrobe for all your clothes, segregate it according to the need and occasion. Make sure it has the space for each one of them like this one. Wood is the best material for wardrobes. Wooden wardrobes can be designed and assembled on the site, while inbuilt wooden wardrobes are great. Wooden wardrobes is a separate piece of furniture, also allow freedom to move it around. So it can also be placed in any part of your home and used for multiple purposes. Aluminum can also be used to build a lightweight wardrobe. It is less expensive than other materials. This silver grey metal also has its own charm and beauty and adds a bit of the industrial decor theme. Sliding door wardrobe design. A sliding door wardrobe is a great space saver. Even if space is not a constraint, the sliding wardrobe has a certain unique elegance. Sliding doors for a wardrobe are easy to operate and allow for easy access to the clothes or items inside. Wardrobes with mirrors. Wardrobes that have mirrors on their doors are apt for small homes. They make the room appear more spacious and also add a charming touch. Glass door wardrobe design. If you are tempted to display some of the contents of your wardrobe, you can create wardrobes using only glass. While glass doors on wardrobes are high on maintenance and expensive, they are surprisingly sturdy as well, depending on the quality of the glass used. Glass doors look classy, but remember that everything has to be spice and span at all hours, as it is a see-through wardrobe. Classic cupboard design. Classic cupboard designs never go out of fashion and popular choices because of their time-tested elegance. Wardrobe design with built-in shoe rack. Buying a separate cabinet for footwear means another piece of furniture, occupying some more space in your home. Wardrobes with the storage space for footwear are popular in apartments and cities. The space for storing footwear is always built towards the bottom of the wardrobe. Steel wardrobe design. This multi-purpose made of steel wardrobe works best for tenants who may have to move the new cities or new homes quite frequently. Apart from being sturdy and cost effective, this wardrobe also gives your home an informal look. However, since everything is on display in this wardrobe, it must always be kept tidy.